Hey, you cool cats and kittens. It's Miss Yabut. Wow, great job yesterday finding those topic sentences and the main idea for a tennis star. Again, tennis is Miss Yabut's favorite sport. Today, we get to read another really cool text, and we'll continue to be thinking about the main idea. But first, let's take a look at our text. Scholars, remember, as good readers, we need to scan the text and ask ourselves, is this a narrative text or an informational text? Go ahead and take 10 seconds to scan our text, Traveling on Water. What do you think? Narrative text or informational text? Show me. Whoa, if you showed me informational text, give me a pound it. Yes, friends, I know that this is an informational text because I see that the title is Traveling on Water. And as I skim through the text, I'm noticing that it seems to be giving me some facts about different things that travel on water. Now, can you remind me, if I'm reading an informational text, what planner should I use? An STORY planner or a Making Text That Seem Very Complicated Simple planner? Tell me. Some of you beat me last time, but let's see if you can beat me. Now get ready to go. We're making a Making Text That Seem Very Complicated Simple planner. If you knew that, go ahead and kiss your brain. Great job, friends. Let's go ahead and add that to our Google form. Because we are reading an informational text, we're going to be making a Making Text That Seem Very Complicated Simple planner. Make sure that you have your blank paper and a pencil out and ready to draw that as I read. Like yesterday, I will not be drawing a full planner, but we will be focusing on the main topic and topic sentences. Again, friends, if you need a reminder for how to draw a Making Text That Seem Very Complicated Simple planner, remember that you can go to Classwork, and then click on our planner, which will bring up this resource. Again, remember you need to draw 1 line down and 4 lines across and fill out our letters. Today, we are going to be focusing on first finding that main topic. I find the main topic by reading the title and the headings, then skimming the text and noticing any visuals or repeating words to figure out what the text is mostly about. Remember, the main topic is short. The main topic is, it's only 1 to 4 words. Then we'll read the whole text and identify all of the topic sentences and highlight them. After I read the whole text and highlight all my topic sentences, I'm going to write my 2 repeated topic sentences. I find those out by putting together those highlighted topic sentences. Let's go back to our text, scholars. Remember, before we start reading, the first step is we need to find the main topic. The main topic is short. The main topic is, yes, it's only 1 to 4 words. So I'm going to skim my text and look for any repeating words, including the title, and see what the text is mostly about. My title is Traveling on Water. And as I skim, I see the word travel again, on water. I see the word boat, which I know travels on water. And I'm still seeing those words travel being repeated. Also the word ocean. So this tells me that this text is probably mostly about water travel. Go ahead and pause your video and write that in our main topic box, the empty box. Good. Now, let's read paragraph 1. Remember, after each paragraph, we stop, highlight the topic sentences that have the most to do with water travel. Paragraph 1. For as long as anyone can remember, humans have always traveled on land. But long ago, people realized they could travel on water too. They just had to build something that would float and carry people. ELA Masters, the first sentence is usually the topic sentence, so let's check there first. For as long as anyone can remember, humans have always traveled on land. Right. This sentence is about traveling on land when I know that my main topic and the title was traveling on water. This sounds more like a catchy opening. Let's check the last sentence. They just had to build something that would float and carry people. Getting closer, but I'm still not seeing those specific ideas traveling on water. Let's check sentence 2. But long ago, people realized they could travel on water too. Right, scholars. This sentence actually has the words travel on water, and it's showing why is that important? Well, people had always traveled on land, but now they're realizing they can travel on water too. Let's go ahead and add that to our Google form. Paragraph 1. Which of the following sentences is the topic sentence for paragraph 1? We picked sentence 2. But long ago, people realized they could travel on water too. Go ahead and pause your video if you need to select that now. Good. Let's keep reading. Paragraph 2. People began making boats out of tree trunks. By carving space in the trunks, people could sit down. Wooden paddles were good for moving these boats through the water. Scholars, remember, I'm going to first check that first sentence. The first sentence says, people began making boats out of tree trunks. Well, ELA Masters, if I didn't know that, the rest of this paragraph about carving space in the trunks and using wooden paddles really wouldn't make any sense. They support the idea that people began making boats out of tree trunks. This is the topic sentence. Show me a yes if you already knew that. Good. Let's add this to our Google form. Which of the following sentences is the topic sentence of paragraph 2? The first sentence. People began making boats out of tree trunks. Got it? Let's move on. Paragraph 3. Imagine yourself traveling for days. Some people wanted a boat that traveled more quickly. They tried adding sails to their boats. The wind blew the sails and helped the boats move faster. Now folks could travel long distances on rivers and lakes. They could trade food and other things with people far away. Friends, this sounds really interesting because in the beginning of the text, it just talked about how people thought, hey, we can travel on water instead of traveling on land. But now I'm hearing a different idea, that now people wanted to travel faster. Let's look for an important topic sentence that shows that. We always start with what when we look for the topic sentences? The first sentence, you got it. Imagine yourself, silly Miss Yabut. Imagine yourself traveling for days. Right. I didn't really exactly hear anything about traveling on water specifically and why that would make it faster. What do I call a first sentence that catches my attention again? Tell me through your computer. You've got it. A catchy opening. If the first sentence is a catchy opening, let's check the second sentence. Some people wanted a boat that traveled more quickly. Right, scholars, I agree. I think that this sentence does talk about how people wanted to travel quickly in the boats, not just travel on water. They wanted to go faster. So, this is an important idea and an important topic sentence. Is there another sentence that talks about why people wanted to travel more quickly? ELA Masters, this is a tricky one. If you were thinking that maybe the last sentence could also be a topic sentence, give me a high five. Right. Now it says that people could trade food and other things with people far away. So this is giving me more information about why it was important that people wanted to travel quickly. I noticed that it also talked about how folks could travel long distances. They could trade with people far away. So, this is another repeating idea. ELA Masters, let's go ahead and add that to our Google form. Which of the following sentences is the topic sentence of paragraph 3? We talked about how the first sentence was a catchy opening. So we thought the second sentence was the topic sentence. Then we also thought that they could trade food and other things with people far away was an important idea as well. Go ahead and select your answer and let's read paragraph 4. Paragraph 4. About 500 years ago, explorers began to dream of crossing oceans to find other lands. People began building large wooden ships with 3 or 4 sails. Many explorers traveled across the ocean. The trips took months. Scholars, I want you to tell me, what is the topic sentence of this paragraph? Which sentence tells me what the paragraph was mostly about? Right. If you said that first sentence again, give me a pound it. About 500 years ago, explorers began to dream of crossing oceans to find other lands. This is telling me more about why people wanted to travel on water, just like this last topic sentence. And to do that, they began to build large wooden ships with more sails. So the rest of the paragraph supports the fact that now people wanted to cross whole oceans. So what did they do as a result? They built ships and were able to do that. Let's go ahead and add that to our Google form. Paragraph 4. Which of the following sentences is the topic sentence of paragraph 4? We thought it was the first sentence. About 500 years ago, explorers began to dream of crossing oceans to find other lands. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to select that or double check your answers now. Great. Let's read paragraph 5. Paragraph 5. Over time, ocean travel became faster. Steamships powered by steam engines traveled across the ocean. Their trips took weeks, not months. Scholars, let's think. What do you think is the topic sentence in this paragraph? Tell me. Right, if you thought it was the first sentence, give me a high five. Yes, again, friends, it talks about how over time, ocean travel became faster. How did it become faster? These new ships were invented, and it's just giving me bonus information for the rest of the paragraph about how ocean travel became faster. These all support this topic sentence. Let's go ahead and add that to our Google form. Which of the following sentences is the topic sentence of paragraph 5? Once again, the first sentence. Over time, ocean travel became faster. Great. Let's finish reading. Today, huge supertanks carry oil across oceans. Cargo ships carry food, furniture, and machines across oceans for people to buy and use. Water travel is still helping people get food and goods. Rockin' readers, take another minute to stop and think. What do you think is the topic sentence that is most important to the text and tells me what this paragraph is mostly about? Tell me. Right, this was a bit tricky, but if you picked the last sentence, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Nice work, scholars. Yes, the last sentence, again, concludes why water travel, which is my main topic, is important. It is still helping people get food and goods. The other sentences in the paragraph tell me ways that people get those food and goods and how. How do people get goods? Huge super tanks carry oil. How do people get food? Cargo ships carry food and other machines across the oceans. Let's go ahead and add that to our Google form. Which of the following sentences is the topic sentence of paragraph 6? In this case, it's usually the first sentence, but here it was the last sentence. Water travel is still helping people get food and goods. ELA Masters, go ahead and pause your video if you need to scroll up and double check your answers. Otherwise, click next and I'll see you on the next page.